Hey there everybody, this is Kathy with Carnivore Uphill, and I'm bringing you my daily update to let you know how I'm doing on the BBB&E Carnivore protocol, which is beef, butter, bacon, and eggs. So I have a hill behind me, and today was a nice sunny day and wasn't too awful cold for me to come out here and walk up my hill just a little bit behind my house. But mostly I've spent about the past 3 hours working outside, and the time has gone by so fast. I really enjoy what I was doing working outside. This morning I had my electrolyte hot drink, and then a little bit later I had some bacon and eggs, but I haven't had any beef or anything after that. But later I'll have probably another electrolyte drink, but I'm not hungry at all. Someone suggested putting some butter in my hot drink before I go to bed, and I'm going to try that tonight. So I'll tell you a little bit what I've been doing outside today. It's been such a nice day I could come out here and get a lot of work done. Back in September of 1994, the western North Carolina mountains had a severe, devastating hurricane, Helene. A lot of people had homes destroyed, a lot of damage. Well, my home was not destroyed, but my property and some buildings on my home did have some major damage. So we had to tear down a building and have a couple of buildings moved off. I'll show you a picture of that. But I spent today organizing and putting stuff in a new building that we got. So there's our new building down there. I've walked up the hill a little bit, and I love it, and it's nice. And I'm organizing a lot of stuff that we were able to salvage from the other buildings, and I'm putting them all in there today. So I enjoyed that very much, had a good time outside. And I just didn't think about eating, but I want to update you on my progress. This morning, my ketones was 1.9 and my glucose was 87. I'm happy with those numbers. Also, I'm excited to say that I was a pound down this morning on the scale. I love the view that I have outside behind my house, and my goal is to have some steps of some kind to go up my hill so that I can get out and get exercise up my hill. So there's the hill behind me. I'm not going to walk all the way up it. It's too muddy and wet and slippery, but it's okay where I'm standing right now. I told you I would come to you every day, and I'm going to do that. We've got to get through this Christmas season together. We're going to have a lot of temptations, be around a lot of food, and I'm going to stick with my BBB&E protocol. I'm only going to have beef, butter, bacon, and eggs, and I will let you know every day what I ate that day and how I feel. Right now I feel great. I want to be able to encourage you to stay on this way of eating, and I can't do that if I'm not staying on it. So I am sticking with it, and I will come to you every day, even if it's only a few minutes, because I know everyone is busy this time of year, especially as we get closer and closer to Christmas. I'll be traveling. I'll be on the road about 6 hours in a few days, and I'll be gone a few days and then travel 6 hours back, and then I'll have a lot of company and grandchildren over for Christmas. So time is going to be busy for all of us, but I want to help you get through the Christmas day and season without getting off your diet. It really is a beautiful day out here, and I want to have the health and the strength to be able to walk up and down that hill behind me. So I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.